'tis the season for those heartwarming soups, and Dom is here to show us a really popular one on the light and easy menu.
Exactly, Justine. So today I'm going to be cooking a delicious beef, barley and vegetable soup.
Yum.
Now, this recipe is perfect to incorporate a boost of vegetables into your diet because less than 10% of Aussies eat this standard 5 serves of vegetables. I don't know about you, but I find it hard to get 5 serves in. So this recipe is perfect and it is very, very simple. So look, while I'm starting to cook the chuck steak, I'd like you to chop up some celery for me.
Can do.
And if you can mince those little cloves of garlic.
I'm onto it.
So all we want to do is just brown the chuck steak, which I've just chopped up.
I guess the smaller it is, the faster it's going to cook,
That's
right?
right, the faster it'll cook. And you can. This is a great one too to cook in your pressure cooker.
Yes.
If you've got a pressure cooker, or you can do it over the stove.
I love pressure cooking, so that would be up my alley.
Okay, Justine, so we're ready to go in with our carrot, celery, onion. Now, traditionally, this is called mirepoix, as you would know in French cooking.
Mirepoix.
Mirepoix. And not only does it add in a heap of flavour, but it also adds a lot of nutritional benefits thanks to the vitamins, the antioxidants and fibre that are in the vegetables. And traditionally, I mean, it goes into a lot of recipes. Normally Mediterranean, Italian, French, you're always using carrot, onion, celery.
I mean, this is a soup, but it's almost like a cross between a soup and a stew.
Exactly. I mean, it is a real complete meal. So really good for you. And of course, you can swap out vegetables. If you don't have pumpkin on hand, you could always throw in sweet potato, you could put in a swede, you could do turnip, any kind of those lovely hearty root vegetables would be perfect. Okay, so Justine, I'm adding in the pearl barley. Now, this is quite an old grain and, you know, very readily available now from supermarkets, health food stores. But the great thing about barley is it's very high in fibre. So it's a great addition in casseroles and soups or if you're doing any slow cooking. And it's also been used in risottos too.
Yes. Oh, I've had a risotto, a barley risotto, and it is incredible because it's got that really nice nutty flavour to it.
Exactly.
And I do like the texture of it too, particularly in soups like this.
All right, so you're mincing my garlic for me. I'm going to add in the tomato paste and then you can throw in that minced garlic. So just a little teaspoon of tomato paste. Pretty much now, everything just gets thrown in together. We've got some diced tinned tomatoes, which are a great addition. A lot of people don't consider tinned tomatoes to be a vegetable. So whenever you're cooking pastas or sauces or casseroles or anything like that, think of your tomatoes as a vegetable serve as well.
Very nice. In with a pumpkin.
We'll pour all that stock in. And then we're going to season this with salt and pepper and then we'll put the lid on and we'll let it simmer for about 30 minutes until that chuck steak is really nice and tender.
Oh, it smells good. Very nice.
Delicious. So, Justine, all we need to do now is we're going to serve up a lovely bowl. Now, this makes a good, hearty portion for 4 people. But look, if you don't have the time or you're not confident in the kitchen, it's always great to have the light and easy version of this in your freezer and you can have it ready in just 4 minutes.
4 minutes, that's what we like to hear. Some parsley.
A little bit of parsley on top and a squeeze of lemon. And we've added some wholemeal toast just for those slow-releasing carbohydrate and also just creates a little bit more of a filling meal, keeps you full for longer and really makes a complete meal. I mean, it's perfect for dinner or lunch.
It is. It has everything you need in it and I love that finishing touch of fresh parsley and fresh lemon juice. Very nice. Thanks, Dom.
You're welcome.